We've always been asked to compare the Tronsmart Mega Pro with the JBL Charge 4 ever since we released the review video of the Mega Pro. So here it is. In this video, we may test the gaming and the video viewing latency and also the audio quality. Conclusion is the end of this video. Please let us know what you think in the comment section. Please note that during the whole testing process, all speakers have adjusted to the max volume and recorded by the Zoom H1N recorder. To ensure the best listening experience, please use your headphones. By the way, we've also compared the Mega Pro with the JBL Extreme and Anchor Sound Core Motion Plus on Semi-Tech Tips channel. You can go check them out if you are interested. Links are in the description. Of course, as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channels and give a thumbs up. Your support is important to us.
Hey everyone, here I am in my brand new place. I'm calling it the layer. Every sideboard is a layer, right? I've got lasers and everything, but we'll get into that in another video. Today we're going to take a look at the Osmo Pocket, a tiny little camera with a gimbal made by DJI right here in Shenzhen. Yes, I know lots of other channels have covered it, but this is one of those few products where I think most reviewers just didn't get it.
现在我来开箱的这个是我们的老朋友了，酷狗电动自行车啊！现在我来开箱的这个是我们的老朋友了，酷狗电动自行车啊！
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show. And